Greater Sudbury Fire Services has not yet determined the cause of the fire that caused significant damage to the Grace United Church on Bancroft Drive. Firefighters were called out to the church about a possible lightning strike around 6 p.m. on July 24th. Eyewitnesses told Sudbury.com that firefighters checked the church, including the roof of the structure, but then left a short time later. Fire services were called back to the church around 9 p.m. when neighbors saw the 78-year-old building was on fire. It took firefighters about 6 hours to put out the blaze. No one was injured.
9:30, I looked out the window and I go, oh my God, the flames are coming out the roof.
The Ontario Fire Marshal's office has been contacted, but whether or not the agency will do an investigation has not been decided. Check back to Sudbury.com for more information as it becomes available.